Me I feel fret. I wonder if condom I go burst. All them something I'm miserable. My man abuse me because him I say stop sell and him not have it forgive me. So you know what that is?
Welcome again viewers and subscribers. And a lady I know she named Pretty Face says she get a fight from the rest of females in around her. Say she like to come off the street still, but she have her son to take care of her son just passed to go to one school. So anyway, still listen to the story, leave in the comments below, and if you like the channel, subscribe.
Them not like me out here cause me make more money than them. So every time them see me, them say, why you not go on different place? Cause I say, why you want me go on different place? Cause when man come, them choose me over them. So they so them I go them talk say, them I go send man come and make the man kill me. One time a man come for by the man say, you're pretty and nice, me can't believe are you. And I say, why you talk about the man I show me him gun? And I say, are you me come for kill? And me can't forget, me and the man a friend now. Me could have turned on the man and say, go kill them. But me not do that.
I saw the COVID because of COVID and the things scares me.
Before COVID that. Look here, you know why I'm out here? I choose my son past the one school. My work, because the company where I work and corona thing, it locked down because the social distancing and the next week it at home. So I'm not for out here so. Not for out here so.
No, but me I say in light of the corona, because corona, no people not really come out and man not going to come by. So that's why it gets intense with you females that
no, it's intense long time before corona, so it's
but like what time, like
when
what
girl
think
better than
now.
girl and money start, when them see a girl and make more money, them say, is either you use some powder or something, or voodoo or something like that, but God me use. Me don't need them something there. Still every day me have fear. You know sometimes I not even get sleep, cause going home right now, me go check my email to see if me get no job. Cause me still a go and look work. Me not like the road something, I swear. Every different man from all both just come with them destruction body come lay down and gone. Me I feel fret. I wonder if condom I go burst. All them something I'm miserable. My man abuse me cause him I say stop sell and him not have it forgive me. So you know what that is? That make me want to kill myself. And me can't give up cause my son just passed. If you never know me I feel I do for him. I don't feel business anyways.
When the corona go on and the place locked down.
No, I'm not out here.
So what you don't do? What were you doing to
No, the money never done because at the time we boss they give a little something even though we stop work.
Okay.
But him say done now.
So,
Him not have none to give it.
okay.
And even if they never give me it's shameful you couldn't come out in those times when the curfew is so serious because what kind of money we gonna make in that short space of time? I'm not so desperate. It gives me desperate. No, because my son result come out, but I'm not so desperate.
Welcome again people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content. And remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.